Hello students, here's a preview of lesson 1.18.4, the last lesson of the week. And today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English Video Lesson 18 of 52. So please click on this link and this will take you to the lesson. So the first thing you do is you watch and practice along with the speaking practice video 2 or 3 times. It's only 4 minutes and 52 seconds. After you watch and practice together with the video, then you go to part 2. Watch and practice along with the pronunciation video 2 or 3 times. The pronunciation video is only 3 minutes long. After you're finished with that, you have a pretty long dialogue. And first, you click play.
Hello from Washington, D.C. Today at work, I am reading the news for the first time. I am really nervous, but my boss, Ms. Weaver, is here to help me.
So read along with the audio, and if there's still words or sentences you don't understand or phrases you don't understand, then you go to the translate section and translate the dialogue into your primary language. When you finish, you click back on the American flag to go back to English. After you finish with the dialogue, watch the video lesson 2 or 3 times, okay? This reviews everything you've learned in the speaking practice, the pronunciation practice, the dialogue. And after you watch this video 2 or 3 times, then you take the quiz. And you simply click on this link. And there are 5 questions on this quiz. And you press play here.
Now, Anna, remember, when we read the news, we are always reading facts. We never show our feelings.
Okay. So what does Katie tell Anna to do? She tells Anna to read only the facts. Katie wants Anna to read fast. She wants Anna to read with more feeling. Katie tells Anna to read louder. No, she tells Anna to read only the facts. Okay? And then you click next question to go to the next 4 questions. Okay? So that's about it. This was lesson 1.18.4. I want you to do the best you can on this lesson so that you can improve your English skills in communication and comprehension. Do your best. Thank you for working so hard. I'm really proud of you. Bye-bye.